Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn how to make a 7 ring toy on Blender. So let's start. We don't want this light cube and camera, so we'll select and delete them all. Press Shift A on your keyboard, mesh, choose cylinder. Make Z 4.5, X 0.5 and Y also 0.5. Now press Shift A on your keyboard. In mesh, choose again cylinder. Make X 6, Y also 6 and Z should be 0.5. Now place the middle cylinder according to it. Now minimize your window. Again press Shift A. Now in mesh we will choose torus. This is our first string. We will make Z 3. X should be 5. It is a bit bigger, so we will make it 4.5. And Y also 4.5. Make this a bit up. Again press Shift A, mesh, choose torus. In X make it 4. Y also 4. And Z it should be 3. Again press Shift A, mesh, choose torus. Make it 3.5. Y also 3.5 and Z should be 3. Again press Shift A, mesh, choose torus. The X should be 3, Y should be 3 and Z should also be 3. Now make it a bit up. Now again press Shift A, mesh, choose torus. Now we will make this 2.5, Y also 2.5 and Z should also be 2.5. Again press Shift A, mesh, choose torus. This X should be 2. Y should also be 2 and Z should also be 2. Now again press Shift A, mesh, choose torus. In X it should be 1.5. Y should also be 1.5 and Z should be 2. Now you can make all the rings a bit up if you want. Now this is a bit up. So this is our 7 rings toy. Now we will color it. We will go on this material property. Now you remember we will select and we will press Z on our keyboard. We will go to material preview. Now we will choose the central cylinder. Now you can make it of any color. So this is our toy. Now we will meet in next video. Bye.